Brad Williams, XL Prime. How do we count the entire worksheet? Well, I'll show you. And why would you? I can't answer that. But here, how do we count it? We go COUNTIF. 1, and then we want to count every row. There's 1,048,576 rows. How do we know this? Hit your control key, hit the down arrow on your keypad. If there's anything in the way, make sure you have a clean path down, and you have 1,48576. Go back up. How do we count? Well, we just go 1 to 110. What is that? You see how everything just highlighted? Because that's the range. You know how we typically will put B5 to B26 or something? Well, here you can do the same thing. What are we counting? We're counting Kim, or we're counting Jim, or we're counting... If there is a Kim anywhere in your worksheet excluding objects, we have a text box here. This is one of those deals where you can just insert, and then you can do what you want. Here you can put text in here, but we won't, the count doesn't care about this. If we look, hit F9, and we're just counting the stuff in here. Now, would I ever use this? No, but perhaps you're auditing something. What you're trying to do is look through this and count. If that's the case, I would use some other means, perhaps go to special. Now, because this sheet is protected, we can't go to the go to special. That's how you go about and count, using COUNTIF to count whatever there is in your entire worksheet. You can read this over here. You don't need to. The anatomy is something we've covered over and over and over. Anyway, I thought I'd just throw that at you and just say, have some fun with this. Remember to add the name in cell B5, okay? If you go total, COUNTIF, well, what are you trying to count? Remember, the criteria is required. Stick with it, man. Having some fun here and moving on. We're moving on, baby. We're chugging along, moving along. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.